In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to move objects in Miro. Whether you're tidying up a brainstorming board or arranging a presentation layout, mastering movement is the foundation of a clean, readable canvas. First, open your Miro board from your dashboard by clicking the board you want to work in. Give it a second to load and make sure you can see the part of the canvas where your items live. If you need to see more or less of the board, adjust your view so the objects you plan to move are in sight and easy to reach. To select a single object like a sticky note, shape or image, simply click it. You'll know it's selected when you see a highlight or handles around it. To select more than one, hold the Shift key and click each item you want one by one. You can also click and drag across the canvas to draw a selection box. Anything fully inside the box is captured. If you accidentally select something extra, release, then Shift click it again to remove it. Once your object or group is selected, click and hold directly on the selection. Drag it to the spot where you want it to live. As you move, guides may appear to help you align items neatly. Release the mouse to drop it into place. If it's not quite right, you can immediately click and drag again until it looks just the way you want. For finer control, use the arrow keys on your keyboard to nudge the selection in small, precise steps. This is especially useful when you're aligning elements or making subtle tweaks to spacing. Take your time and tap gently. A few small nudges can make a big difference in clarity. You can move multiple objects at once by selecting them all first, then drag the selection and everything will travel together while keeping the spacing you already set. The arrow keys work here too, moving the whole group in tiny increments. This makes it simple to relocate clusters of content without rebuilding them. When you're done, click an empty area of the canvas to clear your selection and take a final look at the layout. That's it. You opened your board, selected what you needed, dragged it into position, refined the placement with arrow keys, and moved multiple items together. With these basics, your boards will look cleaner, read faster, and feel more intentional.